Holy Moses. The plow is stuck. It's a blizzard. Oh my. Oh my. Hey, buddy. If you're stuck, what would happen to me if I went out there? Oh, lordy, lordy, look, he's going backwards. Backwards. Backwards! Uh-oh, little car, don't come. No, go back, little car, go back. Oh, here's another one to save the other big one. Ooh. What is going on? Oh, help him, eh? Help him. Help him, help him. Okay, go, go. The two of you go. Teamwork. What's going to work? Oh, you're going to hit each other now. Don't plow him. Plow the snow. Oh my. Now you're both stuck. Ah, the other guy went up, up, up and away. Why can't you go? You have no tires. Your tires are bald. Ah, you're just gonna have to go backwards until you make it. Oh, he's skidding. He is skidding. Oh, geesh. Look at that. He is just stuck. Where did the other guy go? Ah, the other guy must come and get him. Come and get him. Oh, let's zoom in on your tires. Your tires are bald. What kind of service are you? If you're stuck, what would happen to me? Oh, little car, don't rush. Where you going, big van? Oh, you showing off. You just went past the plow guy. Oh, jeez, look at that. He just left you. He didn't help you. Oh, jeez. Should I come help you? Should I call 911 for you? Oh, jeez. Oh, boy. You can't go. Where did your buddy go? Your buddy just left you. Your buddy left. He just upped. Oh, you're getting out the truck now because you're really stuck, aren't you? Push the truck. Push the truck. Oh, yeah. Look around. Look around. You poor guy. I'm going to go make you some hot cocoa. Would you like some marshmallows in it? Dear me. And they didn't take the garbage. Huh? Let's see. Is my garbage still out there? Oh, I can't see the garbage because of this stupid tree. Ugh. This tree. Ay, ay, ay. Uh-oh. Your buttocks is going crooked. Oh, you stuck. Just go backwards and go home. Call your boss. Tell your boss you can't do this today. This is just ridiculous. Oh, here's your buddy. Here's your buddy clearing the way for you. Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork. I have faith in y'all. I'm singing. Is that pure ice out there? It's just pure ice. All right. What's she doing? Man, oh man, oh man. I'm so sorry. Oh, geesh. Oh, you're coming out again. I wonder if I should give you a shovel. What are you looking at? Are you looking to see where you're stuck? Are you going to send a tow truck? Well, thank goodness. Thank goodness my boss said Oh, what's going on? Yeah. Thank goodness my boss told me that I could stay home today. Thank goodness. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, here comes the other one. How come the other one can go back and forth like that? So easy. Phew. Oh, that was just a sneeze. Come on, put the plow down. Scrape the ice so he can go backwards. Don't hit him now. Do not hit him. Oh, yeah, what you doing? You didn't clear the pathway the proper way. He can't go by that way. Oh, you're supposed to plow under the tires. Now go around and make a loop for him. Okay, buddy, now come, go backwards. Hey, Renee. Renee, would you like to see something?
Yes, I would.
Come out here. Come over here. This truck is stuck.
Oh no.
Isn't that something? Thank goodness, Ronnie, that I didn't go out there. Oh, he's going. Go, Diego.
Yes.
No, don't go backwards again because you'll be... Go, press the gas. Put yourself on number 2. Oof.
But just don't poop yourself.
He's stuck in pure ice. This is... Oh, he's turning the wheel. Turn the wheel from left to right to right to left. And you'll be gone. You're not turning the wheel to the left. Listen to my words. Left. Oh, he's not turning the wheel. He's got it. You know, maybe if I go out there, I move the truck. Oh, here comes the other one again. He's going up and down the street.
Don't put it on R.
He's putting some sand.
Oh.
But what he should do is come out of the truck and pour the sand manually. Oh, he's coming out of his truck. He's doing what I said. Manually. What is he trying to do?
Don't run to your friend.
He's running. He's running. He's telling him to go out, but he can't go out. Don't you think he figured that out already?
Mommy, what is he doing?
Where are you? Oh, you're so close. Oh, I got your lips like really close. Where are you? Oh, that's your skin. I don't know what he's doing.
Mommy,
Yeah.
can I just ask that guy one question?
Oh, look. It's going to be teamwork. Now, the other guy says he can do better. Watch, he's going to get the truck out of there. Because the other guy's an amateur. He probably just started a month ago. Watch. Oh, don't tell me he's getting the truck out. Because he's been doing this for 25 years. No, maybe 15. 15 years. If he gets the truck out, he gets to retire early. He got the truck out. You're gonna retire tomorrow, buddy. Good job. Now you, get back in the truck and go. Go home. Go home. Ronnie, you're shaking my hand. What do you need, Ronnie?
I need to ask the guy one question.
What?
What are those?
What are those? Okay, buddy. Now your friend just helped you. Say thank you. Oh, what is he doing on top of the truck? He's showing him. Boy, he gets to retire tomorrow. You gonna retire, you stay home. Stay home. You don't need to come to work. It's too cold out there. Okay, now, can you do me a favor? Can you give me some bread and milk? Buddy, I need some bread and milk. I didn't know it was gonna snow this hard.
Mama?
Yes.
Can you lotion my legs for me?
Lotion your legs? How old are you, my child? Where did you get that lotion?
In the bathroom.
Go sit down and lotion your legs. This is a dining room. This is not a bathroom or a bedroom. Thank you, sir. Thank you for clearing the road. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Go get some hot cocoa. Don't go up that hill. Why are you turning up that hill? You think you're a macho man, don't you? Don't go up that hill.
Oh, you got yourself.
Now you're going to be stuck and nobody gonna be rescuing you. You know why? Because you go up that hill, it's a one-way street. Nobody sees you there. Hello? It's me. Hello? Ay, ay, ay. Okay, bye-bye. I think he's doing good. Look at him go. Look at him go. He's like Thomas the Train. He's like Thomas the Train.